So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus, and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Uber is actually giving out bonuses to drivers. So instead of raising rates, what they do is they give out little bonuses. This comes from our Uber driver Facebook group. You can join that link below as well. We have 20,000 members in the channel, in the group. But yeah, this was one of the, basically the bonuses that they're giving out. So do you want to explain what's going on here? These are little surge bonuses. So if you go to this zone, you get an extra $13 for that one ride. Oh. This one's $14. This one's $24.
That's pretty good.
So comment below if you think it's worth it. This is at 4 p.m. I guess, or a.m. It doesn't say. His phone's about to die, but he's chasing that surge. So this is surge bonuses, and people in the comments are saying that they would skip it. Ain't nobody throwing up in my car. So what would you do if a passenger threw up in your car?
I don't know. Like, I guess you have to clean it up, right? I wouldn't even want to, though. I'd want to just pay someone else to clean it up. Don't they get charged a fee?
Yeah, you basically...
Do you get the whole cleaning fee?
You're supposed to take it to a car detailer, take a photo of the receipt, and send it in so you can get the money back. Oh. So you get reimbursed. Okay. But it kind of like ruins your whole night. Plus, they don't allow you to do any more rides after that for the night.
Yeah, that does suck.
So you basically get a car detail, but it's like you basically make it just kind of ruins your night.
Yeah. Then
you have to go on Lyft for the rest of the night. But if it's at night, then there's not car detailers open.
Yeah.
And car detailing takes like over an hour to do, sometimes 2 hours.
So you just let the vomit sit in your car overnight.
Overnight, yeah. Or you can kind of clean it up yourself a bit. Ew. And then take it to a detail. Oh God. Okay, so let us know down below if you would take these surge bonuses. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.